Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a fence business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a fence business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. A fence installation company works with clients to provide a variety of services. Contracts are negotiated based on the area to be fenced, the materials used, the degree of difficulty, and the time and labor required. Let's look at the costs of starting a fence company. A business and tax license, a contractor's license, and liability insurance are among the initial costs. Insurance is required to safeguard your company in the event of an accident or injury. It's also a good idea to get a surety bond. Many are priced between $6,000 and $12,000, but coverage of up to $50,000 can be purchased for larger projects. Annual premiums for a small business range between $500 and $900. To deliver materials, you'll need at least a full-size truck with an extended bed. A forklift can also be useful for quickly and easily loading fencing materials. Post drivers, fence stretchers, saws, drills, air compressors, hydraulic augers, and a concrete mixer are among the tools required for fence construction. A minimum investment of $10,000 is required to purchase that equipment new. Finally, you'll need a place to keep all of your equipment, as well as office space to keep files and contracts. Fortunately, depending on local zoning laws, your home may be able to serve multiple functions. Ongoing costs for a fence installation company may include 1. A vehicle and equipment upkeep. 2. Fencing supplies. 3. Storage fees. 4. Shipping costs. 5. Fees for credit card processing. 6. Website upkeep and office supplies. 7. Payroll for employees. Customers who are preferred include homeowners, business owners, real estate developers, farmers, ranchers, and government agencies. A fence installation company makes money by purchasing fencing supplies wholesale and charging for the labor and expertise required to design and install fences. The average cost of a fence is estimated to be $2,620. Building permits are required in many places. A typical building permit costs around $800. The cost can be significantly higher if the area to be fenced is sloped or contains obstructions that must be removed. The industry standard for materials for a simple wooden fence is currently between $7 and $19 per linear foot. A vinyl fence can cost as much as $33 per linear foot. When installation costs are factored in, other materials, such as decorative wrought iron, can cost up to $300 per linear foot. The cost of labor per linear foot ranges from $7 to $12, depending on the materials used. A fence installation worker's annual salary ranges from $21,160 to $51,800, with an average of $32,450, depending on level of training and experience. A large, well-established fence installation company can generate up to $1.4 million in annual revenue. Creating a display for potential customers that showcases all of the different types of fencing your company offers is one way to increase the profitability of your business. Building a number of small sections of each type, using various materials and decorative elements, gives your customers a visual representation of the finished product. Another important step you can take to increase the profitability of your business is to collaborate with other fencing contractors, who specialize in different types of fences than those that your company normally builds. Cooperation and competition among industry professionals benefit all parties involved. It can boost your company's brand recognition while also increasing the number of satisfied customers. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a fence business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.